Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Smith. What can I help you with today?
I needed help building a playhouse for my 2 puppies and pet turtle.
Well, I have a bird with a bird cage. It's pretty much the same thing.
Neither animal will fit in that.
No, just a general idea. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions now.
Okay, what would you like to know?
How big are your animals?
Well, my 2 dogs are 1 foot long, and my pet turtle isn't much bigger than that.
Okay. Do they need sunlight?
I would like them to have a little.
Well, I think that's plenty of information now.
I think it would be better off seeing them for yourself.
No, that seems like a lot of work. I have some ideas going, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start prototyping.
Okay. Currently, the 2 dogs are in 2 dog houses, and the turtle is in a playpen.
Okay.
I would also like this to be under $600.
Let's call that a tentative budget.
Okay. Well, the houses are a little small for my liking. That's why I called you.
Mm-hmm.
1 dog also has anxiety issues, so I would like it if he had plenty of room.
Wait, what did you just say? I was really focused on putting all my effort into this single design.
I was just giving you some context about my animals.
Oh, don't sweat it. What do I need context for? This is an engineering problem.
I guess I see your point.
Okay, great, because I think I've made something awesome here.
That is...
Okay, let me explain it. It's pretty much a box with a glass dome on top for the sunlight, you know? And the whole bottom is covered in turf, because I'm pretty sure animals like nature. And there's like these really neat holes in the bottom for you to fill with food and water.
That sounds okay, but that isn't what I asked for.
Well, they looked really cool in my head, so I sort of just added them in there.
They sound cool, but wouldn't that be on the little expensive side?
They'll be around $1,000, but don't you want your cats to have a great home?
They're dogs, and I think $600 is more than enough.
Well, same difference.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just texting Jerry back in manufacturing. He'll get right on it. Let me just...
Did you even prototype this before you had it made?
Well, Sketch is pretty much as good as a prototype, especially for a problem this easy.
Don't you have any options for me to choose from or something?
Well, I spent so much time on this design, I'm pretty sure it's foolproof.
You didn't really incorporate any of my ideas.
Well, when I started thinking of other ideas, they all seemed stupid, so I didn't even write them down.
How long do you expect this to take?
Oh, well, it'll only take around 5 months. Just put a blanket on the floor in the meantime.
I hope you don't expect for me to pay for this.
You obviously don't understand the masterpiece I'm trying to create here.
What masterpiece? What is the purpose of the holes?
The holes are for them to eat out of conveniently, obviously, and why not?
Well, you can put the food in a bowl, the bowls can be removed, and then you don't have to worry about whether the animal uses the bathroom.
Well, you weren't really specific with what you wanted.
You really didn't listen or ask what I wanted.
Well, you employed me, the engineer, and I already have all the experience and opinions that I need, especially since I created a design for 3 animals.
From the looks of it, you don't even have any technical skills.
Well, who owns a dog and 2 turtles anyway?
I do. It seems you don't understand your client. And by the way, it's 2 puppies and 1 turtle.
Dang, that's the 4th time this week. I wonder what their problem is. Yay, high five. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So, that was an example of a very unsuccessful design process.
Now we're going to show you what it should have happened.
The engineering design process composed of 5 main elements: empathizing, defining, ideating, prototyping, and testing.
When empathizing, the engineer should pay attention to these key points. Instead of interviewing, it should be like a conversation. Always ask why and have the people tell you a story. Ask them how they would complete a task and understand the current process.
When defining a problem, always try to understand the user, set a limited set of needs, and articulate a point of view, preferably as an actionable problem statement.
To ideate, use rational thoughts along with imagination. Use ideation techniques like brainstorming, mind mapping, and sketching. And remember to defer judgment until the very end.
When prototyping, don't spend too long on one prototype. Identify a variable that's being tested with each prototype and build with the user in mind.
Finally, testing. Show the prototype to the user, but don't explain it. Just listen. Create experiences that the user can react to. And also ask users to compare multiple prototypes.
Hey, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned about the engineering design process. Bye-bye.